Introduction. Destinations have become the world's biggest brands. Popular destinations such as France and United States high state biggest be a must-see destination that are in very tourist bucket list of places to see. Branding. Branding is a process of creating a slogan from a message and then designing a symbol or logo that together will communicate to potential visitors the image of the city along with the features, benefits, and the value of it has to offer. So, ang branding is kanang important na siya sa usa ka brand arong man-knows, arong makahibaw ang customer if unsa ang ilang paliton or unsa ang naaingana nga product. Then, ang branding is usa ni siya kas symbol or logo nga para mahibaw-an sa customer. Destination image and branding. According to Dr. Glenn McCartney in a lecture he presented during the 5th EDUCACIL International Convention on Tourism and Hospitality, image formation is at the core of branding. One cannot embark on branding without deliberately working on one images. Destination image is commonly defined as the sum of the beliefs, ideas, and impressions that a person has of a destination. Crompton 1979, Baloglu and McClary. McClary 1999 defined image as an individual's mental representation of knowledge or beliefs, feelings, and global impression about a destination. For Itner and Richney, 1993 destination image studies have further defined destination image as a dimensional construct composed of a cognitive or perceptual domain and an affective or evaluate domain. Development of a brand identity. Aitken and Campello 2011 argue that a place brand by nature belongs to the place by its people, emphasizing the role of co-creating meaning and the collective experiences of stakeholders in the development of the brand identity. And then, according to Morgan and Pritchard, in 2014 suggested 5 phases in developing a destination brand strategy. These include ang kinanan is discovery research, then sunod kay brand strategy platform and creative development, then 4 brand implementation, and 5 brand management. Or refer to required reading for more information. Brand identity. Brand identity refers to the essence of the brand, the characteristics that makes it what it is. Brand identity is a central aspect of the branding process. It defines how stakeholders want a place to be perceived, according to Hane and Rowley in 2013. So, ang brand is kanang makabalo gid ta if nay unsay nga nga product if nay brand makabutang or katong logo kay arong makabaw ang customer if unsa ilang paliton or unsa na nga product.
Strategies for attracting visitors. According to Kotler, there are 4 broad strategies for attracting visitors, residents and employees, and business and industry, and for increasing exports. These are image marketing, attraction marketing, infrastructure marketing, and people marketing. Image marketing. There are thousands of competing destinations that attract potential buyers by projecting a strong image. There are 5 image situations where a destination may find itself. Overly attractive image refers to places that need little marketing and might need a little demarketing to avoid overcrowding. Positive image refers to places that do not require an image change but rather a strategy to highlight its positive characteristics and deliver them effectively to the target market. Weak image, on the other hand, refers to places that do not have a clear message. Image marketing. Contradictory image refers to places that have both positive and negative images. These opposite views lead to contradicting views among potential visitors. Negative image is probably the most difficult to address. Attraction marketing. Improving an image through marketing communications efforts is not enough to increase arrivals. Destinations need to invest in developing attractions, both natural and man-made. Bohol is one of the Philippines' top tourist destinations with its popular beaches, the Chocolate Hills, and its centuries-old churches. Infrastructure marketing. Infrastructure plays a crucial role in the holistic development of a place. The most important infrastructures that should be set in a place include streets, highways, effective transport systems, airports and seaports, and telecommunication networks. People marketing. People marketing is centering the marketing message on its human resources, which includes the local characteristics and culture. Human capital is what the Philippines has. We are a country of smiles. Our people speak English, the universal language. Challenges of destination branding. Morgan and Pritchard suggest 5 key challenges faced by destination marketers as follows. First, limited budget. Some destinations lack enough funding for marketing campaigns. 2. Politics. Political instability or disagreements can affect branding efforts. 3. External environment. Natural disasters, pandemics, or economic downturns can disrupt tourism. Destination product. Destinations that lack unique attractions or quality services struggle to attract. 5. Creating differentiation. It's challenging to make a destination stand out when many places offer similar experiences. The Philippines struggles with these key challenges, so more effort has to be placed in overcoming them. In this regard, Fabricius Carter and Stanford made the point that 2 requirements are critical for destinations to achieve a competitive advantage over their rivals, namely, first, establishing a strong and unique positioning, that is, offering a different kind of experience compared to other destinations by developing the destination's attractions and resources in a way that highlights its unique characteristics. 2. Delivering excellent quality experiences and superior value for money by ensuring that all aspects of the visitor experience are of the highest standard and are coordinated.